Welcome to the Species List tutorial. This is Andrew
and Chaz
with the VGS dev team. This tutorial will show you how to create species lists. A species list allows the user to quickly and efficiently populate species into the plant species frame during field input. Let's see how it's done.
From the menu toolbar, select Setup, then Lists. The Entry Analysis List Manager window will open. Select Species Input under the list type. If you are importing a pre-populated list from a VGS database, select Import, then browse to the .vgss species list file and select Open. If you are creating your own list, select New. Name your new list, give your new list a description if desired, and click Save.
Next, click on the Members tab to populate your species list. Enter a species by clicking on the drop-down arrow under the species code column. The Select Species dialog box will open. Search for your species by either code, common name, or species name. Qualifiers may also be added to the selected species. Click Select, and the species will be added to your plant species list. There is not a limit to the number of species that may be added to your species list, but it is advisable to only add the more common plants to avoid overcrowding the plant species frame. Species lists may be edited or updated at any time. Multiple species lists may be created, but only one list will appear at a time in the plant species frame during field input.
To share your species list with other VGS users, you may export your species list. Select the list to be exported and click on the Export button. Browse to where you would like to save the .vgss file and click Save. To populate a field input form with a species list, please refer to the field input tutorial. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you have learned something new and helpful. Until next time.